Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the T80 Ferrari 488 GTB Edition on PlayStation 5. First, connect the wheel's USB cable directly into an available port on your PlayStation 5 console. Make sure the mode switch on the wheelbase is set to PS4 for proper recognition. Power on your console and start your favorite racing game. The wheel will perform a quick self-calibration, turning left and right, then centering itself. This ensures all functions are ready for an immersive driving experience. After connecting, let the T80 complete its automatic calibration, which involves the wheel turning fully left and then right before centering. This ensures accurate tracking. Take a moment to locate the 12 action buttons and 2 sequential paddle shifters. The wheel provides a 240-degree rotation, offering a realistic steering feel. You can fine-tune your driving experience by adjusting in-game settings for steering sensitivity and dead zones. To truly optimize your experience, dive into the controller settings of your racing game. Here, you can customize button assignments, mapping functions like curves or DRS to the paddle shifters or face buttons. Adjust the steering sensitivity to find a comfortable balance between responsiveness and control. Experiment with dead zone settings to eliminate any unwanted input, ensuring every turn and acceleration is precise and intentional for maximum performance. For the best driving experience, focus on smooth and consistent steering inputs. Avoid jerky movements to maintain control, especially in high-speed corners. Master the paddle shifters for rapid gear changes, crucial for maintaining engine RPM and accelerating efficiently. Remember to keep your T80 clean. A quick wipe down after use helps prevent dust buildup. Store it properly to ensure its longevity and readiness for your next race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.